You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. I know it's fascinating, but it's actually pretty straightforward once you know. That's a watery fluid. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. It's pronounced simply Rheum. Yes, you've guessed it, just like a room, R-O-O-M, you know, the room you're standing in right now, Rheum. So forget about the weird spelling, forget about the H, it doesn't do anything. Just you could write it R-U-M, room. Room, not rum, room. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.